Managing properties is not easy. There are a lot of tools out there, but they're expensive, local only, or old and hard to manage. Comet is a unique new web app that makes property management easy. From rental units to owner-occupied buildings, Comet lives in the cloud, so it's available everywhere. It works in any language. It's easy to use, and it's affordable. Property managers and owners use Comet to advertise their vacant properties to a global audience, while using Comet's local language and local property management features. List globally, manage locally. Tenants browse listings and apply for your property using their own language. So now you can reach more prospective tenants than ever before and fill your vacancies faster. With Comet, you can say goodbye to expensive software, IT costs, and even your office, because Comet works seamlessly on your mobile. Join Comet today.